Want to reset keyboard settings on Samsung? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First, launch Open Settings. Now scroll down and tap on the option of General Management. Here you will find the option of Samsung Keyboard Settings. Tap that. Now scroll down a bit and you will find the option of Reset to Default Settings. Tap on that. Here you will have three options. The first one is Reset Keyboard Settings. This is the option you want to select, so go ahead and tap on that. Now it says downloaded languages won't be deleted, but your keyboard settings will be reset. If you want that, tap on the Reset option. As you can see, all of your keyboard settings has been successfully reset and it has now turned back to your default settings. That's all it takes to reset keyboard settings on Samsung, and that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more content like this.